The world faces an unprecedented global health crisis, one that is spreading human suffering, crippling the global economy, and upending people's lives. The blockade imposed on the Gaza Strip didn't prevent the coronavirus, Covid-19, from reaching it through the returnees to the Gaza Strip from the infected countries. The besieged Gaza Strip suffers since 2007 from a crisis in all aspects of life, worn out in the health service sector, and a shortage of medicines and medical consumables with a deficit of 45% according to the Ministry of Health estimate. Gaza Strip is considered one of the most densely populated in the world. Where the smallest state in Malaysia in terms of population is Perlis State, is more than twice the area of the Gaza Strip. However, the Gaza Strip is more than twice of its population, where more than 2 million Palestinians live in the Gaza Strip, covering an area of 365 square kilometers, most of them in refugee camps, where it is difficult to achieve the social distancing. Gaza Strip lacks the minimum essentials and capabilities of life. If the coronavirus pandemic spreads, God forbids, it will destroy the healthcare system in Gaza that has been exhausted by years of war and siege, and that the number of fatalities will be terrifying, and Gaza will become a real and an unimaginable tragedy. These fears prompted the authorities in the Gaza Strip to take precautionary procedures to prevent the spread of the virus inside the Strip. The decisions were suspending schools, universities, and educational institutions, as well as the closure of mosques and cancelling the public events, parties, and central markets, aiming to prevent the gatherings. On the health front, the government made a number of schools into preventive quarantine centers and built a quarantine center equipped with an intensive care unit inside the Rafah crossing. Moreover, it accelerated the construction of 1,000 quarantine rooms in northern and southern of Gaza Strip in preparation of the worst in facing the pandemic of the coronavirus. The authorities in the Gaza Strip have drawn up a plan to receive the returnees to Gaza, where they will stay in the compulsory preventive quarantine centers for a period of 21 days and conduct daily tests to ensure their safety and that they are not infected. All medical and security teams, as well as the staff working inside the quarantine centers, were also quarantined for a period of 21 days to prevent the spread of the virus inside the Gaza Strip. As of the date of this report, the Palestinian Ministry of Health in the Gaza Strip announced that 13 Palestinians have been infected with the coronavirus. 9 of them have recovered, while 4 cases are still infected. Gaza Strip struggles to protect itself from the coronavirus within all the possible capabilities available in Gaza, such as tailing the PPE, the personal protective equipment. Despite the fact that the Gaza Strip is free from the inside from the coronavirus, the people of Gaza express their solidarity to the whole world that are facing this pandemic and pray for them to overcome this crisis. People of Gaza also wonder how the lockdown feels, that the people in Gaza are living in siege and have been living the lockdown for more than 12 years. And it's an opportunity to demand the international community to lift the siege in Gaza. Aman Palestine Berhad urges you to make donations to support the people of Gaza in facing this COVID-19 and to support the frontliners and their families in facing this virus.